Unleash your inner artist and problem solver with Google's revolutionary Nano Banana Ai. Today, we're diving deep into the creative universe of Google Nano Banana Ai, a powerful platform designed to transform your ideas into stunning realities. Whether you're an artist, a writer, or just someone with a spark of innovation, Nano Banana is your new go-to tool. The first step is all about defining your vision. Think of Nano Banana as your intelligent assistant, ready to interpret your creative prompts. Start by clearly articulating what you want to achieve. This could be describing a specific artistic style, a mood, a theme, or even a complex problem statement. Once your prompt is ready, simply input it into the Nano Banana platform. The AI will then process your request, drawing from its vast knowledge base to generate initial outputs. Don't be afraid to experiment. The beauty of Nano Banana lies in its responsiveness. See something you like, but want to tweak it. Nano Banana offers intuitive refinement tools. You can adjust parameters, explore variations, or even provide further instructions to guide the AI towards your desired outcome. Think of it as a collaborative process, and the possibilities are truly boundless. Beyond visual art, Nano Banana can help you craft compelling content. From captivating stories and insightful articles to engaging marketing copy, you can also leverage its analytical capabilities to brainstorm innovative solutions to real-world challenges. Whether it's designing a more efficient workflow or conceptualizing a new product. So, step by step, from a simple idea to a remarkable creation, Google Nano Banana AI empowers you to explore uncharted territories of creativity and innovation. Start experimenting today and unlock your full potential.